Legal victory challenges mass automated ticketing in Rochester. A recent court ruling in Rochester, New York, has cast doubt on the legitimacy of a massive automated speeding enforcement campaign, potentially opening the door for thousands of motorists to contest their fines. The Ghost Enforcement Campaign. During the fall of 2024, local authorities deployed a white, unmarked SUV equipped with a speed camera into a work zone on Interstate 490. For 25 days, the automated system functioned as a high-speed fine generator, issuing more than 26,000 speeding tickets. While the vast majority of drivers paid the fines without question, the sheer volume of citations driven by an unmanned vehicle has raised significant questions regarding transparency and the necessity of such aggressive automated enforcement. A landmark appeal. The legal battle centered on Kent Cromer, one of the many drivers caught in the net. After losing his initial case in city traffic court, Cromer appealed to the county level. The outcome was a decisive victory for the defendant, as Judge Doug Randall overturned the tickets and issued a scathing critique of the lower court's proceedings. The judge's decision highlighted several critical procedural failures. Misplaced burden of proof. In a departure from standard legal principles, the traffic court improperly required the defendant to prove his innocence rather than requiring the state to prove the violation. Lack of evidence. The prosecution failed to provide evidence that actual construction or maintenance work was being performed at the time of the alleged violations, which is often a prerequisite for such enforcement measures. Statutory violations. There was no evidence that the notice of liability was mailed within the legally required 14-business-day window. Unprofessional conduct. Judge Randall described the behavior of the city traffic court as egregious, noting that court clerks had engaged in arguments with the defendant rather than maintaining a neutral judicial environment. Why this matters? The trend of automated enforcement. This case highlights a growing tension in modern governance. The use of AI and automated systems to maximize revenue collection. While automated cameras increase efficiency, they also remove the human element of discretion and can lead to revenue traps if not strictly monitored. When enforcement is handled by an unmanned vehicle in a work zone, the line between public safety and aggressive fine collection becomes blurred. This ruling suggests that automated systems must still adhere to the same rigorous evidentiary standards as human officers. Implications for other drivers. The ruling has immediate consequences for those caught in the same sweep. Of the 239 drivers who originally challenged their tickets in city court, 199 lost their cases. However, following Judge Randall's decision, those drivers now have until May 8 to file an appeal. The court's decision serves as a reminder that automated enforcement does not exempt the state from its fundamental duty to provide evidence and follow due process. Conclusion. By overturning these mass citations, the court has reinforced the principle that automated systems cannot bypass legal requirements for evidence and procedural fairness. This ruling provides a vital lifeline for motorists seeking to challenge automated fines based on insufficient proof or improper legal conduct.